everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. Myself Nandini and welcome to Drona Edu. Today I will be teaching you all the first chapter of EVS, a day in the garden. Even we need to help the birds. What did Likita tell? She told even we need to help the bird. Please tell us what all the steps I can take or we can take to help the birds. So at that moment, Rangappa told some informations which are very much useful for the birds. He started telling them, build some small nest in the tree around you, okay? If at all you find some trees around you, start building a nest inside that. So that would be very much useful for the birds, okay? They won't find difficult, isn't it? When the bird find the ready available nest on the tree, they will feel very happy and the work and the burden for them will reduce. So is telling that if at all you wanted to help some bird, the only thing you have to do is follow these steps which all I am telling you all, okay? And the first thing he told to build the nest on the trees. That will be helpful for the birds. And next he told to keep some glass or in some pots some amount of water and keep them on the top of the house or the top of the roofs, okay? On the top of the roofs, so that it would help for the thirsty birds, okay? Even you all feel thirsty, isn't it? We all human beings feel thirsty. We feel thirsty, we drink water. What about the birds? They travel in the sun from different place to place, okay? They don't be in a single place. They travel from one direction to another directions, okay? So, Rangappa told them to keep some water on the roof, on the top, so that it would be helpful for the birds, okay? So that they can drink some amount of water, okay? Then he was telling some other steps, okay? Some other steps to be followed to take care of the birds. At that moment, one girl, she got a doubt. When Rangappa told that you have to keep water, you can construct or you can build a nest for them, and he also told them to put some grains in a plate and keep on the top of the house tree. You cannot climb tree, isn't it? So you can keep that plate of grains on the top of your house, so that even that would be useful for the birds. So at that point, Vanaja had a doubt. She started questioning Rangappa. She asked, will the birds spoil our field? Field is nothing but the agriculture field, or whatever it is. Whenever you grow a crop, it becomes agriculture, okay? So will this bird, if at all we don't keep grains on top of the floor, will that be harmful again for us? Or will the birds eat away all our crops? So that moment, what did Rangappa answer? He told them that, no child, this will not be harmful, okay? No child, this will not be harmful, and they are very much helpful for us. What did Rangappa tell? They are very much helpful for us, and they help in eating the insects in the ground. That is, in the agriculture ground, there would be many worms, insects, okay? So these birds will eat them away. If they are eaten, it is very much helpful for us to grow crops even more. So you are getting me, children, what I am trying to tell you all? You're getting me? Yes. When you grow a crop, there would be many insects and many small kinds of ants growing on the field, isn't it? So, these birds will attack the insects so that it would be helpful for us. Okay, Rangappa told that. Then Seema. Now Seema is pointing at something and telling everybody. Okay, she's a narrator here and she's telling everybody. She's pointing something and she's telling. She is telling, see the spider. Can you all see the spider on the tree? You all have seen spider inside your house. If at all it is not big, it is so small. You all can check. It is very small spider inside your house. So she told the same thing. This spider we can also see in our house, isn't it? She asked everybody. Then Aruna comes, okay, in the conversation. Aruna starts telling that not only spider, okay, there are many kinds of insects and birds and domestic animals, okay. She also started telling about cockroach, rats, cats, lizard. You know, I am allergic to lizard. There are many types of small animals and these all are also included and even they live in the garden. Okay, she also included the domestic animals. Along with them there are cats, rats, buffalo, monkey. Aruna told that there are many animals which we grow it inside our house also, and there are some animals which will automatically start growing inside our house. Okay, that includes cockroach, house flies, ants, cats, rats. And she also told along with this insects or animals, there are some domestic animals also growing, and that is buffalo, cow, cats again, dog. So these every animals will be seen in this garden. She told, yes, they are available here. Okay, when Aruna was telling this, Teresa witnessed something on the land. Okay, she told, what is that leaping? What is that leaping from the pond to land? Okay, what Teresa is telling, that she witnessed something and she told that something is leaping from the pond to the land. So when she was admiring everything, okay, she was admiring the things going around, okay, that moment she saw something leaping. At that moment, Likita answered for Teresa. It is nothing but the frog. What did she tell? It is nothing but the frog. It is leaping from the pond to the land. It is leaping from the pond to the land. And Teresa again telling that why did the frog go there and what did the frog do inside the water and why it is coming back to the land. And at that moment everybody were surprised at that moment. Why does the frog go to the land and water? Okay, when Teresa told that in this forest the frog is leaping out of the pond. So it is leaping out of the pond. So I hope you all enjoyed this class. I will see you all with another chapter. So until then, it's bye from Nandini. Take care. Bye.